Have you ever wondered how you can harness the power of the universe to fulfill your deepest desires? Today, we delve into the profound and transformative Dolores Cannon method, a unique approach to personal growth and manifestation. Dolores Cannon, renowned hypnotherapist and author, pioneered a method of hypnosis called quantum healing hypnosis technique, or QHHT, which she used to help thousands of people access their subconscious mind and tap into their spiritual selves. This method is not just about healing or hypnosis, it's a gateway to the infinite wisdom we all have within us. Now let's break down the Dolores Cannon method into a step-by-step process. Step 1 is all about preparation. This involves setting a clear intention. What is it that you truly desire? Is it a loving relationship, a fulfilling career, or perhaps inner peace? Once you've identified it, visualize it in as much detail as you can. The clearer your intention, the more powerful the manifestation. Step 2 involves entering a state of deep relaxation. Dolores Cannon used hypnosis to achieve this, but you can use any method that works best for you. This could be through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even listening to calming music. The goal is to quiet the mind, to make it more receptive to the subconscious. Step 3 is where you start to communicate with your subconscious mind. This is done through the use of visualization, affirmations, and the secret prayer. The secret prayer is a powerful tool that Dolores Cannon developed to open the door to the subconscious. It's a personal, heartfelt plea to the universe, expressing your deepest desires. Step 4 is the act of surrender. This is where you release your desires into the universe, trusting that it will respond in kind. This step requires faith and patience as the universe works in its own time and ways. Now, to summarize the key points of the Dolores Cannon method. Firstly, it begins with setting a clear intention. This is crucial as the universe responds to clarity and specificity. Secondly, it requires entering a state of deep relaxation to access the subconscious mind. This is where the magic happens, as the subconscious is your direct line to the universe. Thirdly, it involves communicating with your subconscious using visualization, affirmations, and the secret prayer. These tools work together to create a powerful signal to the universe. Lastly, it necessitates a surrender to the universe, trusting in its wisdom and timing. The Dolores Cannon method is a transformative journey of self-discovery and manifestation. It's a way to tap into the infinite wisdom of the universe, to manifest your deepest desires, and to live the life you've always dreamed of. Remember, the universe is always listening, always responding, so speak your desires with conviction and trust that they will be fulfilled.